To show equations vertically and show working out in Google Docs, this is how we do it. We make sure that our cursor is in the position where we want to insert a drawing, and that in this case is inside this white box. Click on Insert, Drawing, New. And we need to remember what the equation was, but this is how we draw it. We select the drawing tool Scribble, and we draw the equation as if we were writing it with a pencil. 2.5 times 5 is the equation. 5 times 5 is 25. Carry the 2. 2 times 5 is 10, plus 2 is 12. Then save and close. Done. Simple. If it seems a little bit too big, you can just click on it in here once and resize it. If you've made a mistake, you can edit the drawing by clicking on it once and then clicking on Edit, and then going in and modifying the equation. Maybe you need to align this, or you forgot the decimal or something, so you can come back in and fix it up. You can also make it, if I go back into Edit, if you've got time and you've finished the test and you want to make this look a little bit neater, then you can text box, insert a text box here, and make the equation vertical in using characters on the keyboard. Just make sure you try and line these things up. So 2 times 5 times 5, and we can put a line there. And then because we've already worked it out over here, this is why I said if you've already done it, you can just copy the answer and then just make it look a little bit neater. Make sure they're lined up. We need to have a 2 that we carry over though, because that's we're showing working out, right? This is my line down here. So I'm going to put a little 2 in, but I'm going to make it smaller, the font size. So I'll make it an 8 and put that up there to indicate my working out. There you go. So then you could get rid of this, or you could just leave it, but this would be the neater version. And again, the same deal. Once you're finished, save and close, and that will appear here. You can make it a little bit bigger. If you've got this white space over here, that's because if you go into Edit, back into Edit, you'll notice that these boxes are empty. So if you wanted to remove that white space, all you'd need to do is just make those end of these text boxes smaller. Make sure there's nothing over here anymore. Save and close. There you go. You got rid of that white space. And there you go.